Namaste. I'm Ezechi Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Today, I'd like to discuss what is metaphysics. You see, metaphysics is a bit mysterious to most people because um, we were not taught that in school. We were taught your basic physics. Uh, we were taught geometry, algebra, things that are relative to a 3D perspective. Now, metaphysics is also within the 3D realm, but it is at a higher frequency vibration. And so, because of this finer, higher vibration, it is not easy to detect by normal science. So, we would say regular physics, normal science, is the common accepted physics understanding in our society, whereas metaphysics is more of the esoteric world, esoteric being known only to a few. So there are certain mystery schools that teach principles of metaphysics. There are other schools that uh, uh, train you how to enhance your abilities in the metaphysical realms. For instance, to be trained to astral project, to trust your spiritual insight, to see what is to be, and to know how to change the future. You can look into the past, touch an object, and maybe see its previous owners. These are things that are all there for us. But it takes a little practice. It takes some retraining, reprogramming, because the way our society is, it has programmed us through our education and other means to be ignorant of the metaphysical world. So, as you investigate the metaphysical world, you begin to understand things like the paranormal. You understand things like chi and prana and being a light worker. And there are many, many, many things to understand in the metaphysical aspects. We'll discuss more of these aspects in the future. But right now, I want you to look up as much as you can about the metaphysical world, and let's discuss that in the comments below. Any questions that you may have or ideas, I'd like to hear it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the Golden Circle Movement channel with notifications. Make sure you like and share the video. You can also reach me on Instagram and Twitter at Ezechi Ade, and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for